Corporate real estate has a problem. The flow of communication on archaic platforms and non-standardized processes slow down the progression of the stakeholders in the different activities related to corporate real estate. The question is, how to close the gap between the speed of real estate and the speed of business. The gap can be measured as time. Therefore, we are trying to reduce the days, weeks, or months between the realization of the existing need of more space and its final delivery in the form of usable area. The gap lies in the management, communication, and organization of corporate real estate projects, in which each stage of any decision-making process there is a delay. You can call these delays and communication inefficiencies as noise. What is the best harmonizer of noise? A symphony orchestra. We want to apply and organize the orchestra concept to the CRE process in the form of an app. In an orchestra, there are 4 main groups. Now let's apply the CRE industry. These 4 groups produce and request their own information from the CRE department, who is the conductor. The audience is finance, HR, and senior managers. We changed all the sheet music to phone apps and Orchestra was born. Orchestra is an app that is a hyper, collaborative, project extranet app that is simple, easy, and better designed. Let's walk you through a scenario. First, Mr. Yan, the CRE manager in charge of the data center project, logs in. To start the data center project, upload the documents for the real estate management candidates to download. Click to send invitation. This invitation goes to multiple real estate management companies. Through our open space feature, the audiences are like HR, finance, and senior management will immediately see in their project feed the start of a new project. The audience can sort and filter which project stakeholder updates they want to follow. While on his lunch break, Peter, the real estate manager, receives the invitation from Mr. Yan, the CRE manager. Peter, the real estate manager, reviews the documents and accepts. Peter, the real estate manager, begins work uploading registration forms and site pictures. Mr. Yan, the CRE manager, receives site pictures and forms from Peter, the real estate manager, but also from other real estate managers. He can see all of them together and compare. Mr. Yan and his CRE team rate the sites, and the results will show the best choice. The team can comment and make an informed decision. The CRE manager and CRE team can create hashtags which keep your data well indexed and easily discoverable throughout the project database, saving time when you need to retrieve feedback to make a decision. When the CRE team has made a decision, the news goes automatically to Peter's smartphone and appears on his newsfeed. On Orchestra app, this kind of streamlined digital bidding cycle will be repeated when procuring roles such as project manager, designer, and contractor. Let's jump to the design of the data center. We have Nikki, the designer, who has already been selected working on her laptop. She's designing the blueprint of the data center. Mr. Yan, the CRE manager, asks for an update. She wants to update Mr. Yan and his CRE team on her progress. Nikki, the designer, screenshots her data center blueprint and sends a draft of the blueprint straight to Mr. Yan's, the CRE manager. Mr. Yan gets a message from Nikki, the designer, on the blueprint, which begins the feedback loop. Receive, review, annotate, screenshot, share, decide. This loop will continue until the final drawing is approved. In summary, Orchestra can close the gap by accelerating the time in which every action is performed. Orchestra does this in 4 ways. First, incremental reductions in the time required to deliver information, share feedback, and make efficient decisions. Second, storing standardized information and providing access to project history. Third, allowing global integration whereby CRE management can have instant access to their worldwide portfolios. And fourth, creating open spaces where project stakeholders can see each other, avoiding corruption. Decision making is in the palm of your hand.